Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share with you how the top 1% always stay the top 1%. Before we get going, I'd like to ask you a favor. We've done a research. We've noticed 51% of the people that are watching my video have not subscribed to my channel. If you are one of those, I don't care who you are, where you're from, I'd like you to kindly smash that subscribe button to join the family. Once you smash the subscribe button, you get notification whenever I post a video out there. And whilst you're there, smash the like button so more people can also see this video, because what the algorithm like is when people like the videos, it pushes it out to wider and wider audience, so it reaches more people. So how are the rich able to stay rich all the time? They rarely go broke, but even if they go broke, they're able to come back and become rich. So the number one reason why the rich stay rich is asset diversification. So what do? The top 1% typically diversify their investment portfolio. They invest in various asset classes. They invest in asset classes like properties, for example, gold, stock market. They invest in commodities. So what happens when a certain industry get impacted, they have another industry doing really well. So they're very good in diversifying their portfolio. But here's the thing. They only do that once they become rich, not when they were starting. 99% of them never diversify at the beginning. So what they did, they concentrated in one asset class that generate them income. Once they know that asset class very well, they move on to another asset class. They move on to the other asset class, so on and so forth. So don't think if you're just starting, you can go and diversify straight away. No. But once you hit a certain level, that is the time you want to diversify so you can spread your risk. The second way they stay on top of everyone is access to exclusive investment opportunities. You see, wealth often provides exclusivity to investment opportunities, because when everybody starts knowing what you're doing, they know you're being successful, it would attract people to you. And these will be the people that would let you know when an opportunity is about to happen before it even hits the market. So basically, they're very good in creating relationships that will give them that exclusive opportunities before it goes out. For example, before a property goes onto the market, they have an estate agent or someone that will let them know before the property goes on the market, and they then go and negotiate that property at below market and buy that property. Or suppose they know a property is about to have IPO, initial public offering, about to go on the stock market. Someone tells them to invest in the property at the beginning before it goes on IPO. So at that point, they invest. When the business goes to IPO, guess what? The value of that business goes up. Guess what? The value of their shares goes up. I remember watching a video where someone said they only invested about £40,000 in Uber when Uber started, and that £40,000 become £4 million. Hello, this is because they've got exclusive information about that company at the beginning. So Uber makes so many people become multi-millionaires. So keep an eye for exclusive deals. Number 3, financial and tax planning. The top 1% will pay tax planners amazingly handsome to get them ways to avoid paying tax legally. They can do whatever it takes. They can employ the smartest person in tax to help them save tax. So they're very good in financial planning and tax implication. And the beauty about the wealthy, they get people that are smarter than them to execute what they want them to execute. When I'm talking about wealthy people, I'm not talking about celebrities. I'm not talking about football players. I'm not talking about basketball players or boxers. I'm talking about entrepreneurs, business people. Right? These are the people I'm talking about, because these are the people that do not live lavish lives. They live moderate life. They always live below their means. They always concentrate in investment strategies. They concentrate about adding value to society. People like Elon Musk, people like Sir Richard Branson, people like Bill Gates, people like Dysons, people like Warren Buffett. These are the people that are really wealthy individuals out there. They're living normal life, in life that every one of us lives, and they live significantly below their means. I remember seeing a video where Elon was literally sleeping in his factory. He sleeps in his factory. He's got a sofa bed in his factory. He works and just sleep there. Who would have thought the richest man in the planet would sleep on a sofa bed? So you see, that just tells you how normal these people are. But they're very good in their financial planning. They're very good in getting smarter people to work for them to get their investment to the next level. Number 5, network and connections. So literally, these people are well connected. They're they're connected to the best lawyers, best tax accountant, best entrepreneurs. Whoever they're connected with are best in that field. So basically, they form an organization. People will call this sometimes society, for example, right? It's not a society, it's a network of people benefiting from strong networking, helping each other grow. They provide themselves business opportunities, they exchange ideas, they're in their own circle to help them leverage and take advantage for whatever opportunities comes their way. So networking and connection is what wealthy people are very good at. Hence the reason why they are the top 1%. So these are the 5 things rich people do to stay rich and be on top and always be the top 1%. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you.